Our focus today is that Tesla has released drone footage of the inside of the Berlin factory. I believe this is a really important video given the fact that it represents sort of the fourth iteration of Tesla factories and bakes in at least 20 years of experience by Tesla in the manufacturing process and probably 100 years of experience by Grohmann Engineering in terms of layout of factory floor and process. So my goal today was to lean heavily on our videos so you can enjoy that while we talked. This is Greg for Teslafaninsight. Thanks once again for joining us. If you enjoy the show, please take time to like and subscribe. We'd also encourage you to join us on Patreon for more information on better investing and trading and information not provided on a daily basis on the regular channel. The first thing I'd like to cover here is the factory, as I said, is built by Grohmann Engineering, which is Tesla's sort of purchase, manufacturing, development facility based in Germany. I expect this factory, because of the proximity of the Grohmann engineers to the plant, usually a factory might be upgraded, once a quarter or so. And I expect that there's going to be a lot more implementations of new concepts in this facility that we end up seeing in the other facilities over time. As you'll notice, we have all black vehicles, which suggests that the operation of the paint shop operating on generators right now is affecting the number of colors that can be produced. So they're likely just producing one color at a time. I was actually surprised at the choice of black as the primary color because it can be one of the most difficult colors to get right, and it's more expensive than the white. So therefore, I think that it's going to come out looking great, but it's a lot more effort. What you'll notice here, there's a lot of things to notice as we're going through. The biggest sort of technology illustration from the flyover that I really enjoyed was watching the inside of a gigafactory with the drone observing the castings being removed. Human beings can't get that close for a bunch of reasons, and it's really cool to see how this game-changing machine is operating. We actually are going to be showing video of the inside of the paint facilities of Toyota after finishing up our Tesla drone video. And I wanted you to take time to notice the contrast of the number of people being used in that facility. Right now, Tesla is at a pace of producing approximately one car every 10 hours. And that gives its industry leadership when it comes to production. But the challenge is that that's really being compared against ICE vehicles versus a comparison against other EV producing facilities, which Tesla is sort of the blueprint. So I expect that the engineers at VW or Mercedes, etc., to watch this video hundreds of times to get good ideas on how to improve their operations. But you'll notice that the video is somewhat choppy and sort of the gold standard in the world on the production of vehicles, and have continued to refine their process over time. And that attention to detail has resulted in Toyota actually having sort of the highest quality vehicles, as well as a premium being paid for their vehicles based on this quality orientation. Right now, it's sort of impossible to go like for like across the differences between the different manufacturing facilities. Them happening as a process is something that I found useful because Tesla has actually had some challenges relative to paint, relative to leaks in the vehicles, etc. And this kind of highlights the Toyota process of how this is done to ensure these are not issues. I hope you enjoy this video and look forward to your comments on the Toyota/Tesla comparison. Look forward to, as usual, We do have our health tips, and those are listed below. Enjoy, and we look forward to your comments.